Good morning. Can you guys hear me? Y'all join me. Welcome to Night Compound, everyone. Let's see what we got here today. Okay. Can you guys hear me? All right. So, CCIV. I got in on this trade here on this day around 25.60, I believe. And then the next day it gapped down 6%. Yesterday it recovered all its loss, so I got out back. I got out here pretty much with $10 gain only. I got out at right at 25.60 with a 10-cent gain, so I was up a couple of dollars. And then today I'm looking to get back in here with a better average. Let's see. So the game plan today is to watch CCIV to see what it's gonna do. I think it's gonna retest 25.70. It's gonna get rejected. It's gonna come back down toward 25 area. I'm gonna grab some shares here, and then hopefully this breaks down below 25 and retests 24, and then bounce and continue higher into the daily chart, right? So retest 24. Most likely it won't. Most likely it will retest 25 and then bounce from here and come back toward 26, 27. But I was wrong the other day, so I could be wrong again today. But that's my game plan. Grab some shares here at 25 area. If this breaks below, grab some more shares down here around 24. If this breaks out above 26 today, I would like to not chase this, but I might have to if this breaks above 26 and hold above 26 for at least an hour. Then I'll wait for a pullback, retest of 25.80, and then I'll get back in around that area for a curl back up toward 27, 28. So as of this morning in pre-market, I took a trade on AGRI. I got in on this dip around $7. Sold it on the rip back up to 8. Made about $1,000 here. AGRI, it's a IPO stock, so it IPO yesterday around what is it, $4. Went all the way down to 360. Came back up, and this morning it was up in pre-market almost 200%, and now it's down. It lost most of its gain. It's only up 60%. So this will be a good bounce play if this will break below $7. Retest 5 and 6 right here. A bounce back up towards $6.80 to $7. Alright guys, we got about 7 minutes for the bell to ring and the market to open. I'm gonna fix some setting here real quick. Okay, there we go. That way we can see a little better. So it looks like CCIV is pulling down here. We might get out a quick pull back at the open, and then if this breaks above the opening price, we'll get a surge upward. So this seems like it's gonna be moving quick. I'm gonna move my limit order up to 25.35. We got a couple minutes. Let's check out AGRI. It looks like it's dumping. So let's see if this can break down below 7. NIO, it's also up from its drop yesterday night. Tesla, same thing, gap down, reclaim its loss. It might retest 671 today. Bubba's been beat down from 231 all the way to 199. A lot of Chinese stocks getting beat down lately due to politics. Bubba looks like it's very nice. It's looking very attractive for my long portfolio. I would like to add this into my long portfolio maybe soon. All right, we got about 10 seconds for the market to open. Let's see what CCIV is gonna do. And the market open, it dips down.
Daddy,
Yes, honey.
here.
You wanna watch Cleo?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm waiting for my 25 shares here to get triggered at 25.35. I see it sitting right here. And then I see 40 prints. 41. Okay, I think it's gonna hit. Well, it broke the opening price, so I think it's gonna squeeze now. Alright, I went ahead and bought 25 shares on the market. So my new average is 25.51. Okay, so I'm in 50 shares at 25.55. I'm gonna wait now to see what this does. If this is gonna break 26 or not. There's 25.60. I see 25.90 coming up. And it's moving higher, 25.70. I think it's gonna hit 25.90. There's 25.80. this is a break of pre-market high. If 25.90 breaks, we're gonna see 26. So since this moved to the upside, rather than moving down to a downside to retest the 24.90 support. What the heck? That was a late reply. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wait for this to retest the 26 area, and then let it pull back down and retest the 25.75. If it holds, then I'll jump back in here. If this managed to push back down below 25.50 and move down to the downside, I'll add more shares around 25.75 or 24.75 down here, back toward $24. Level 2s are looking really bullish though, so I don't know if it's gonna be able to push back down lower or not. The daily chart also looks nice too. High of 26.30 possibly. Let's see how AGRI is doing. So it flushes down toward 680, 690, and now it broke its opening range, its opening price, and it's moving up higher on the level 2. Looks about even on both ask and bid. So the level if we want looking here is for this to break 850. If this breaks about 850, it's gonna rate back toward the 9 and the 10. This 840. I see 45 prints. It's looking heavy on the bid side, so this might drop back down to $8 pretty soon. To 788. There we go. See, this breaks down below 775. We're gonna see a flush back down toward the $7. Still 760, 757, and then if this breaks down below 7, it's done. It won't bounce until around the $5 or $6. And I think it's halted. Yep, it's halted on the downside. So AGRI just got halted, guys. If you're trading this, be very careful. This could open below 7, flushes down toward the $5 or $6. But then again, it looks very attractive for a bounce play down here around $5 or $6, back toward the $6 and $7 area. I can get about 3,000 shares, so that'll be a $3,000 bounce if I was to play this, but it's too risky for me as of right now because I'm out of day trade. So I'm just looking to find a stock where I can swing this overnight, and CCIV is giving me that opportunity right now. $25.20. I just put in a limit order to buy at 25. I moved it to 25.10 because my total EMA just moved up some.
Daddy.
Yes, honey.
Yeah.
Your year went to farming.
What?
Yeah, your year went farming.
Oh. Oh. Oh, Todd.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy, me mountain. Me mountain.
All right, just put in my another buy order of 830 shares down here at 24.30. Looks like CCIV is coming down. This 25.38. Let's see if this can break down and tap me in 250 shares at 25.10 here. And I see 25.28 prints. This is 27 on the level 2. This is 26. I see 25.05 coming up. I'm gonna move my target up 5 cents to the 5.15. That's a better way to do this. Working on it. This one, modify 25.15. Yes, I am aware. Right, so 25 prints. It's 10 cent away from my target. Let's see if I can get hit here. I see a lot of buying pressure coming in. I don't think this is gonna get down to my target at all. I might have to move this up some. Okay, I'm gonna have to get in on this next dip. A lot of buying pressure is coming in here. All right, I moved my limit order to 25 now. Hopefully this comes down one more time before it moves higher. Okay, this 25.35.
Daddy,
Yes, honey.
I watch Opa.
Here, watch on my phone.
I watch Kia Opa.
Cleo.
Yeah. Daddy, yeah.
Okay.
New ways for newlyweds to move. Got this Peloton. Breathe through.
Hey, Kaden. Hey, come get it.
Daddy,
Hmm?
yeah, stop. See?
What?
Yeah.
Why you do that? You look. Oh my God.
What?
You in trouble?
Oh, sorry.
No, you in trouble. Here, what's the deal?
Oh, Daddy. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, why you do that? Do that, boy.
No, sorry.
No, we're not sorry. You keep doing it.
Daddy. Oh, sorry.
Why?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Don't do it again, okay?
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Don't do it again. Alright, sorry, I'm back. I had to take care of my kid real quick.
Pink. Wow.
We got 2 minutes left for this 20-minute candle to close. Let's see what it's gonna do. Is it gonna finish red or it's gonna push back toward and finish green? We have a doji candle here on the first 1 hour candle. Just usually typically indicates that it's gonna consolidate all day between the high and the low. Alright, I'm gonna chase this, but I'm gonna go in with only 100 shares. Because it just broke above the daily candle here. The opening price is green on the daily candle, so this usually indicates that it's gonna be bullish for the day. So my new average is 25.55, 150 shares. So I'm pretty much in here already. I'm gonna cancel this order. And I'm gonna let this play out for at least 1 or 2 hours. and then I'll come back and check on it to see where the levels are at, and then I'll add on from there. So if you guys want me to leave this up, I'll leave this up for you guys to kind of watch. I'm gonna go do some chores. I'll come back later on. Before we go, let's check something. Let's check AGRI. So it resumes, opens below 7,690, ripped out to 750, came back down and consolidates. We have a lot of selling pressures on the level 2. I see this going down as low as 670. I'm gonna see what's popping. Let's see. How is STMP doing? So STMP got bought out here. It's up above 60%. What's the other one? Carvey. Carvey was up really nice yesterday. Ripped up from 10 all the way to 38, but they had a really bad flush toward the end of the day, and now it's back at an all-time high, 42.50. Very volatile. It is not shortable on Webull, so I won't be able to short this. Crazy strong CARV, but I think it's done. I'll be surprised if this breaks above 42.50. Let's see what else is popping here. GALT. Nope, not worthy. What else we got? LMPX up 30%. This is shortable. Let's see. But then I don't like the volumes. We got about what? Yesterday, 128,000 shares traded. Yeah, let's look at something else. NIL is also coming down. So all this EV stock, what you're looking for is the retest of yesterday's high as a support level. Seems like it's respecting it pretty well. If this breaks below this, we might see a retest of yesterday's low, right? So if this holds the yesterday's high, it'll most likely bounce from here back to retest the previous pivot point. So NIL, Tesla, CCIV, they're all doing the same, since they're all in the same sector. They're retesting these key major support level. And the SPY, the overall market, is actually up, which is good, trying to close this gap. I would expect, if you guys trade the SPY or any ETFs that's related to the overall market, I would expect this to retest the previous high and then get a pullback. to retest the previous low pivot before it will move up any higher. Let's check out AAL, airline stock. This seems to be bouncing from all-time low here, 1980, back toward the 2021. I don't see this going any higher than 21 today because of this previous pivot point here, 21.10. Lots of selling pressures around this area. Lots of people trying to get out. All right, let's go back to CCIV.
Yeah, yeah.
2560. I see 2590 coming up. That's a key level. If 2590 breaks, we will see a squeeze toward 26. Another thing to watch here is on the 20-minute chart here. If this second candle here holds green above 2565 here, the third 20-minute candle will most likely break 2589 or 84. So that's what I'm also looking for. And here comes the push. Broke 2565. We got what, 1 minute left until the 5-minute candle closes. Let's see what it's looking like on the 5-minute candle chart. Yeah, so I don't like the 5-minute candle. It's not very clean, especially this type of stock. Right, here comes the third push on the third candle. If this can't break above this previous high level, we will see a pullback toward 25.45, and that's when I'll get in. I'll add some more shares down here if it pulls back 25.45. I see 25.90 coming up pretty close now. 26 is also coming up. I would like to see more ask down here towards 26.30, 26.50, but I don't see any. I don't know what it's gonna do once it hit 26. The level 2 might reset and we might get a new order come in. So let's come back down 25.57, 55. Are you guys watching any other stock out there? Alright, here goes the break of 25.70, 25.80. Come on. We just need to print 25.85 here for this break, and then we'll see how high it can get from here. 26.20, 26.20 would be the high. So keep in mind we haven't seen a lot of buying pressure come in right off the gate. We haven't been seeing any selling pressure yet. So it did buy typically it's good after you see the selling pressure, right? So we have to wait to see how much selling is gonna happen and how low it's gonna get, and then we can jump in for a dip buy. So I haven't seen any selling pressure yet. I'm still waiting. I think it's gonna take another hour or so before they start selling. But so far, the pattern is looking good. It's holding up pretty well. Alright, I'm back. What did I miss? Ooh, a beautiful breakout. And we got to 2620. Sweet. As expected. Hard resistance at 2620 here. Now I'm having a lot of FOMO. Should have bought down here on this dip. But it's okay. I'll wait for the next opportunity. Let's see how high this get, and as this pull back down, I'll get back in around 25.75. Or if this can get down to 25.75 now, I'll get in. I'm gonna set in 150 shares at 25.70. Yes, I understand. I'll hold this overnight. So since 26 breaks, the next, wow, 26.46, 13,000 shares here. If this breaks, we're gonna see 27. I just added 25 shares on the market here. I'm gonna modify this order. I'm gonna up it another 175. I'm gonna up it to 175. Yes, modify. Yes, I'll hold it overnight. Alright, my new average is 25.60. Seems like it's gonna pull down toward 25.26. It's gonna hold this level. Let's see here. Most likely, if we get a strong breakout like this, the next 20-minute candle is gonna be sell off. People's gonna take profit. It's gonna sell off, and it's gonna retest 25.80, 25.90. So if it actually holds 25.80 area, I might move my target up to 20 from 25.70 to 25.80 just to get in. So far, and here comes the retest of 26.20. Let's see if this can break. Hey guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can go on live on my mobile app. I think that'll help you guys a lot, because I do a lot of mobile trading now too. Everything's moving up today. The Dow's moving up, the SPY's moving up. So the SPY is almost up to its previous resistance. So I'm expecting this to tap this level and then pull back. The same goes for the EV sector. NIO is moving down. That's interesting. see what Tesla's doing. Tesla's trying to reclaim this level 650. Let's see if it bounced from 650. See if we can get back to 655. It's on the daily chart. It's on a very strong support level, a key level here also. So most likely it's gonna bounce, but we never know what's gonna happen. And let's go back to CCIV 2616. This is gonna break. It's too high. I don't want to chase this. I missed the entry point already, so I'm just gonna hold. I really hope this breaks 2620. If this can get above 27, I would like this to get at least to 27 today. Pull back toward 2650, create a new support level there, and then I can get in full position back toward 27, 28, 29. Keep in mind we have news on this stock today. We're gonna get some kind of conference call. Oh, there we go. 2620 breaks. I see 2638 coming up next. Beautiful. 2625. Ooh, I'm feeling FOMO right now. Could have been up another what is it, 5%. Alright, so there goes the third candle. Like I said, most likely this third candle will push up. It finishes at 2620. So this red candle, this fourth 20-minute candle, will most likely pull down, right, and retest 2580 area. That's where I would get back in here around 2580. I'm gonna add some shares here. I might move this up now to 2585. Actually, let me do it this way. $25.65. So that's my new. I moved my new buy limit up to $25.65. I'm thinking that'll be the next support level here. Let me zoom out so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Let me get rid of this. Oh, this is annoying. Let's see. Okay, so it's pulling back down like I said here. See all these pivot to the upside here. This is the new support level now. Since it broke it, it's going to come back down and retest this level. If we actually hold this level, we'll get a nice push toward the 27 in the next couple of days. So let's see what it does here. Let's see how this reacts when it comes back down to 2570, 2580. I see a big. So all the ask is gone now. We see a lot of selling pressure now on the bid side. I think this is gonna get down as low as 2550. So what's that at 2550? That's right on the 20 EMA. Okay, so that's right about the range we're looking at to get in. So I got buy order here at 2565, just a little bit above the 20 moving average to get a head start here. So now we're gonna expect this to pull down, hold this red candle, and then another 20-minute to the downside. After that, the third 20-minute candle, that's what's gonna decide if this is gonna hold support or if that's gonna break support and move down towards $25. So from now, all we gotta do is just wait and see what's gonna do. Just let it play out now. Alright, we got about 12 minutes for this candle to close. Let's see how low it's gonna get, and is it gonna respect the support level here?
That didn't know what you. That didn't know. Okay, never mind. I'm stuffing my hair in.
You can hide your hair.
Wait, does Auntie Sammy take stuff her hair in here?
Okay, see if you. Yeah, look, you're invisible.
Like my shirt is invisible. My pants are kind of like invisible right here.
Yeah.
Daddy, guess what? I saw the ice cream truck.
You did?
Yeah. I want to pass our house. I really want to.
They're like, can you go see what she wants before you go home?
Daddy, I almost jumped, but I saved myself.
Yeah, you guys need a
She said
watcher.
something about like, Dave, she wants
Who was
water.
watching you guys?
Something about his mom and something
And I
about
was
it.
like, no, she
Oh,
said,
something
"Come
about a
down,
mom."
She wants to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
But I saved myself.
She's like 9.
Yeah, but next time you have to have a
She's
nap
like
so you don't
9-year-old.
drown.
I never.
What?
Alright guys, so it seems like the selling pressure is slowly easing away. We're having some buying pressure come in and some shorts cover in here on the ask side. Let's see. This might push again I would really like for this to actually retest this 25 area before we, push into the upside to give us a stronger support level. But if this push up now and breaks 26 here, that won't give us enough strength to make it to 27 today. So I think it's gonna get rejected around 26.70, and then have a hard pullback. We might get a hard pullback, maybe around noon or maybe around the end of the day.
No. Daddy.
Yeah, honey.
I want to find robot.
Robot
Yeah.
on here. Okay, let's find
Dad,
robot.
there was a bug on the car. I didn't even kill it. It looked like a
Wait.
bug.
Time to go, Xander.
Hey.
Don't touch that, honey.
Hey. Hey.
Here, robot. This one.
No.
Here, you do it.
No.
Go back.
No.
Okay, go. You go do it. We got 5 minutes left for this candle to close. Let's see if it can actually close lower. Alright guys, here's a quick update before I leave. My kids are up, so it's very difficult to trade with them running around the house right now. So I'm gonna leave. So right now, the level 2, it's pretty even. We have a 4,500 shares ask on a 25.95. So that will act as a great support level for us. Like I said, I'm gonna wait for this second 20-minute candle to come pull down here. Looks like I'm gonna get triggered in here. I'm 1 cent away from getting triggered in. 25.65. Ah, come on. So anyways, I got a buy limit here for 175, 175 shares at 25.65. Oh, really? I was 1 cent from getting triggered in, and it rushes back up. So I don't know if I'm gonna get triggered in anymore. I'm gonna move this up. 25.70. Modify, yes. So I've moved my buy limit to 25.70 now. Same setup, guys. Wait for this 20-minute candle to finish in the red. If this finish in the green instead, I would say that is a good thing, I guess. That tells me that people are not patient and they're buying in too early, and we might get a great rush to the upside. But at the end, when we're gonna run out of steam, so people are gonna get impatient. They're gonna sell off at the end of the day. But if this can actually pull down toward here, finish around here in the next hour or so, 25.50, and then curl up, we'll be able to trap a lot of short sellers and have a lot more steam to push to the upside. Let's see. Yeah, the buying pressure is already dying out. I don't see a lot of buying pressure coming in. I see a 25.80 and a 25.50 bid here. Seems like they want to push this down to these two levels, which I'm okay with that. The key point here now is 25.50. Once you get down to 25.50, is it gonna hold or is it gonna break? The ideal situation is for it to hold on 25.50 and then curl back up. If it breaks 25.50, we have to move to the higher time frame on the 1 hour chart, and 25 be our next key support level. I actually like to play the hourly chart better because the larger the time frame, the more profit you're gonna get. So the way this is looking, if on the 1 hour chart, if this candle here finishes red like this with a doji like this, most likely the next 1 hour candle, if it breaks this previous red candle, it's gonna fly, or it's gonna break out toward possibly 26.70, 26.80. and if that holds, then we will see 27. So guys, that's the game plan. I'm just gonna try to slowly get into this position here through the day. Take my time to average in here. I still got about 800 more shares to get in on this position, so I'm gonna slowly average in here. That's it, guys. Good luck. So far, I'm up $1,177 on the day. $1,000 is realized profit. $37 is unrealized profit. That's it, guys. I will see you guys Monday. Good luck and keep on that compounding.